Let's take a look and study for our test here. Question number 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4, you have to identify your shapes. You're allowed a formula card. I'm going to give you points for knowing what formulas to use. Question number 1 is a parallelogram. I'm going to actually jump ahead on this. I'm going to say a parallelogram, you have to know the formula is area equals base times height. Question number 2, a triangle. We were working with base times height divided by 2. All of these you're going to have on your formula card. Trapezoid's a little harder. It's going to be area equals your height, parentheses, base 1 plus base 2, parentheses, all over 2. Last but not least, circle, including that in this section. Area equals pi r squared, or pi rr is actually a little bit more easy for some people to do. So, I have all 4 formulas. You're allowed a formula card. Those you should be easy to find. Question number 1, base and height. Base, height. Anytime you're talking about base and height, one should be going straight up and down. Your 6 is your height. Your base is 14. I just do 14 times 6. 14 inches times 6 inches. Inch times an inch gives me an inch squared. I end up with 84 square inches. Question number 2. Yep, 2.5, 2.5. Height, 4 3/4, 4.75. I'm going to roll with 2.5 feet times 4.75 feet, all divided by 2. I'm allowing a calculator on it so that you guys have the opportunity to plunk that in your calculator. 2.5 times 4.75 divided by 2. Don't forget, feet times feet is feet squared. I end up with an answer of 5.9 square feet. 5.9 square feet. Question number 3, trapezoid. Height, right here, 1.5 meters. Base 1, 2.2 meters, plus 5.8 meters, all over 2. Now, don't forget, parentheses are a priority. I'm going to do that first. 2.2, 5.8 should give me a total of 8 meters. And I end up with 1.5 times 8 divided by 2. I like to divide by 2 because I would use the shortcut. 1.5 times 4 gives me 6 square meters. So far, got 3 of my questions done. Last but not least, area of a circle. Don't forget, on the area of a circle, it's pi rr. On a question like this, I would immediately change this to a radius of 7.35. So now, when I do that on my calculator, I'm going to have 3.14 times 7.35 times 7.35. So I'm just quickly doing it on my calculator. 3.14 times 7.35 times 7.35. I'm getting a long answer on my calculator of 169.63065. It says go to the 10th place, 169.6, and I'm going to call that meters squared.